look at that, it just went right over the edge. I was just doing a quick recording because I found hopefully a vacant shepherd's hut just behind me. So I'm just sitting down in the evening sunshine. It's been an incredible 24 hours. I certainly recommend to come and camp. I've been up since 4:30 this morning, where my friend and I went out to listen to the nightingales, and it was just amazing experience which I'll never ever forget. And my friends introduced me to a lot of bird song, and I got to remember being able to identify them. That's just a magical thing to be able to do. Yeah, today saw longhorn cattle so peacefully chewing the cud in the pasture, the bull, the calves, the cows. I wanted to lie there with them. And we saw a leaping stag over the fence, going over the fence this morning. That was amazing. It was quite dusk. Well, it was the dawn, so it wasn't light, but I captured that. I mean, so many experiences in nature, just stunning. This is an experience that has really changed my sense of nature and how it can be, and that I've never known nature to have the amount of wildlife that I've experienced since I've been at Knepp. And obviously there's more to come. I mean, to have storks flying over and cuckoos and leaping stags, I've got another night here, so I shall enjoy being on the land.